Is the time working? Okay, hello everyone. Today we are back at the Baby in Yellow. The Black Cat update. The laboratory in its secret garden awaits from prying eyes as Stylian in Carcosa protected by the wise. That was rode by Newt, the robot. Yay! What do we do? Why is it lagging? Oh, just. Hey, were you watering plant? It's kind of laggy. Wait. Oh, you want to enter this room? Okay, let me just put you there. Oh, oopsie, sorry. Oh, he cannot fall. I wonder what room is this. Open. Whoa, that's a huge room. Take a look around. Whoa, wait, what's that plant? Hey! Hey, this plant. What is that plant doing? Oh, what is that? Harvest. It looks dead. Okay, it died. Okay, what is that? Big potion. Okay. Oh, now. What are we waiting for? Oh. Yes, where are we going? Okay. You made that? What the stuff? What? No! Ouch. That was the baby. What? Hi! Beat the baby. Do you want this potion? Okay. Whoa. What the? There's a flower key. Hey, baby, give me the flower. Give me the key. Thank you. Good baby. Look the key. Oh, I wonder what room is this. And look. Ooh, search the kitchen. Wait, valve. Well, I need the valve. Attach the handle. Where do I put it into though? Oh, there? Oh, okay, need to just water clean. Wait, there's a key. Wait, the cat is there. Wait. Okay. Come on. We just need the baby. I wonder what happened. What the? He just took the baby. We need to get to that key. Whoa! There must be a way to get that. Wait, I have an idea. If we mix this with this, I'm gonna make a secret potion. Do this. So it's going this way. What happens if we throw the baby? Yeah, I want to just. Baby, did he melt it? Oh, baby! Is he just gonna jump around? Stop! I got you a bottle. Okay, thank you. So we need to do this really quick. So I got it. So the baby needs to be a magnet to get the key. Oh my god, I'm so smart. What's that? What the? What's that? Switch is on. What now? Are we gonna read? We're not gonna. Did you just throw a book? Bad baby, bad baby, bad baby, bad baby. Bad baby needs to be played. What's that? Come here, cat. Is that like a code? We just wait. It's like do this. Do this. What the? I just unlocked it with no doing puzzles. Wait, where did she go? What the? Where did she go? What? Whoa. Whoa. What's that room? The baby fish. Ah, bad baby, bad baby, bad baby. Bad baby. He wants to take a picture? Let's take this. Okay. Oh, are we taking pictures? Oh, wait, what's that? Wait, it was broken. It was broken. It was broken. For real, it was broken. Look. Now what do you do? This room isn't dark enough. It needs to be dark. Okay, now what is? Why is it like that? Okay, let's just put it. Okay, now what? It fixed. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, it looks dead. Maybe there's. Wait. Can we restore? The plant too? Because that was amazing. Oh! How is that possible? Then the room needs to be dark. What do you want? You want to watch? How about I put you in? It's just like that's so fun. It's so fun. Okay, now we. Oh my god, shut up. I'm calling Newt. Yeah, killing Newt. Kill it. Give me your soul. Give me your soul. Where'd I go? Oh, he opened the room for me. Nice. Okay. So, green and red. Okay. What is this? Oh. Wait, green and red make sweet. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you just want it. Hey, you want try? Okay. Yo, wait. Oh shit, what? What if we... What the heck? Look how funny he is. So they said we need to be quick or else it will be good. Oh! It unlocks the room. Whoa! It's so pretty. Explode again, find it. Whoa, it's so pretty. Wait, there's another flower. Oh, mute. What are you doing, baby? Holy. Stop. No, stop. Stop this. Stop this. Oh my god, Newt is so mad. Newt is so mad. I saw his eyes work. Stop it! This is chill. Chill. Let me catch him. Let me catch him for you. So let me catch him for you. This like, I'm so mad. Stop this baby. And I'm just like, the baby's just gonna keep doing this. Stop it! Stop! Stop, Newt! Stop! It's okay. I can stop him. I can stop him, Newt. Stop! Newt, stop! I can do it. Stop it, Newt! I can do it. Stop it, Newt! Wait, let's do the quality of my. Nope. Wait, just 3. Okay. This is the sheep. It's the rabbit. This is the cat. Come on, Newt, stop! Stop. We can talk about this. Newt, stop. I can handle it. I can handle it. He's just like, stop! I want to. Okay, it's there. There. It's going to be gone. See. It's going just now. Okay, he's now. Okay, he's now calmed down because the baby's gone. You just busy. Newt is on his way. Thanks. Whoa. Give me your soul. Take the vegan inside. Okay. Time to take it in. Wait, baby. Sorry. Please, you can talk about this. Oh, you stopped him. Oh my fucking god. We shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that, guys. I shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. Like and subscribe for part 3.